Hello everyone, welcome to my messy studio. My name is Mark, and I'm a professional artist and an art professor. I'd like to announce another series of online workshops titled Drawing the Head in Pen and Ink. Drawing the head is one of the more challenging things that artists have to tackle, and doing it in pen and ink, a medium that doesn't lend itself to correction, makes it that much harder. This 3-hour online workshop will cover the basics of head construction, a topic that deals with making sure that the proportions of the head are accurate and the facial features are in the right place. Then we'll cover rendering, particularly how to render facial features, including common mistakes that beginners make when rendering. Finally, I'm going to show you several simple, effective hatching methods used by the old masters to create convincing, realistic head drawings in pen and ink. This workshop will be great for those of you that have some experience with drawing the head but struggle to do so with pen and ink, or for those that already have some experience with head drawing in this challenging medium and simply wish to get better. For more information about the workshop, please visit my website, which I'll post below. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in my workshops very soon. Bye-bye.